One day, Little Spider wanted to open a shop. What should I sell? She thought. I'll sell masks. Masks are easy to make. Soon, a customer came. Welcome, welcome, Little Spider said happily. It was a big hippo. Oh my, your mouth is really big, she whispered. Little Spider worked all day. At last, the mask was done. That night, she said, masks are hard. I'll sell scarves. Much easier. The next day, a tall customer came. It was a giraffe with a long, long neck. Oh dear, so long, Little Spider gasped. Little Spider knitted and knitted. One whole week went by. Next time, I'll sell socks. Small, small socks. But when she saw the new customer, oh no, so many feet! She ran quickly back to her web. I'm not ready yet, she called. Like and follow.